Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you guys or show you guys how I grew my Instagram page from 0 to 34,000 plus followers. Okay, almost 35k. And you guys, I started my page around June of 2019, and it's oh my god, it's March 28th today. Well, 29, because it's like 12 something a.m. and I couldn't sleep, so I thought I would film this video for you guys instead. So that's why the video quality is so not like not it, and the lighting is not that good. Okay, but it doesn't matter, because what matters is the information that I'm giving. So if you're interested, keep on watching. My Instagram page grew really fast, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips and the things that I did that actually helped me grow my Instagram page and my business. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you guys now, you can actually use it not only on Instagram. You can use the same like techniques with Pinterest and other social media platforms. So we're going to get into it now. So the first thing to increase sales and grow your Instagram page is to be consistent. So when I first started, I was getting like 0 sales. I remember like I would check my phone like a million times to see if I got an order or something. But then, okay, let's go back to being consistent. So you have to be consistent with your posts. If you're posting on Instagram, you have to post 2 to 3 times a day, not a week, a day. 2 to 3 times a day. I remember sometimes I would even like post 5 times a day. I know that's annoying, but you have to do what you gotta do, because the more you post, the more Instagram is going to know that this account is real, and like you're doing what Instagram likes, which is posting. So you can post 2 to 3 times daily, but sometimes you can post 5 times. At the end of the day, it's your business that you're trying to grow. So I don't think there's anything bad if you post 5 times a day, just not every day, like sometimes. But make sure you post 2 to 3 times daily. 2 to 3 times daily. For me, I was posting at most like 3 times. No, at most. For me, I was posting 3 times daily at that time. But now that I've grown, I just post when I feel like, you understand. Sometimes I post once, and sometimes I don't even post at all. But I just want to go back. I just want to get back into the habit of posting 3 times daily. And my goal for this year is to reach 100k followers on Instagram. And so yeah. So in short, make sure you're posting 2 to 3 times daily, at least 2 to 3 times daily. The next tip is to use hashtags. Honestly, I can't stress this enough. Like, use hashtags. Like, I see some businesses contact me, and they'll be like, how are you going so fast, da 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 da. And then I check their pages, and then I just see that they're posting but no hashtags. Like, how are you supposed to grow? I understand if you already have like at least you should have like 10k. You should have like 10k followers to not use hashtags, because once you have 10k, it shows, like, 10,000. Once you have 10,000 followers, it shows that you've actually been working on your page and actually grew it up to that extent that you don't need hashtags. You feel me? Like, I see this big accounts, and like I see their posts on, like, what is it called? I see their post on the explore page, but then I check the post, no hashtags. It's because they've grown so much. But if you're still trying to grow your business and you're not using hashtag, there's no way that people are going to find your page. So you have to do your research and find hashtags that what's the word? Do your research and look for hashtags that are trending in your niche. That's the word. In your niche. What I mean by that is, maybe you have a lip gloss business. You don't want to use hashtag shoes. I know shoes, girls use shoes, but shoes is like broad. You can use lip gloss. Even though lip gloss is broad, you can still use lip gloss, because if you want, I can like make another video on like how to find hashtags and stuff like that. But make sure you use hashtags in all of your posts, and use all 30 use all 30 hashtags. Don't use 10, don't use 15, don't use 25. Use all 30. So for hashtags, if you find it difficult to like come up with hashtags, there are apps that actually help you with that. So 2 apps, one is hashtags and the other one is hashtags for Instagram. And I know that there are many more, but I've only tried these 2 apps and they're really good. So the thing is, you just type, let's say, lip gloss, and then it gives you like hashtags that you can use for your posts. And for these apps, I think you have to pay for them. You have to like subscribe or something for the apps, but it's also good to like do your own research and to know like what hashtags you need, you feel me, and what hashtag other people in your niche are using. You get I feel like I'm so tired. So the next one is to follow and interact with similar accounts. So if you're following and interacting with many accounts that are similar to yours, when people follow these accounts, Instagram might recommend your account to them. So I'm gonna use myself as an example. When I first started, okay, let's say I'm just starting a lip gloss business. We want to make sure that you follow like the people that are already like big in the business. Also, people that are like that are selling lip glosses. At least follow like 30 to 50 people, so you know like what's going on in the community. And the more, I feel like, if you follow them, then Instagram will understand that you guys are similar, like your accounts are similar. So when someone follows those big accounts, it'll recommend your account to them. And I feel like this is where your profile picture plays a really good role, because if you have a good profile picture and someone sees the recommendation, they're going to want to follow. So, or like check your page out and stuff like that. So I feel like following similar accounts will really help you grow your business and your Instagram page. So yeah. So the next tip is to interact with your followers. So you have to interact with your followers no matter how small or how big they are. So interacting with your followers has to do with knowing what they like knowing what they want to see. So how do you know this? When you post something, you see the likes, the amount of likes the post gets. If this post gets a lot of likes, then you know that your followers like it, and you want to try to replicate that and post more. So this is what I was talking about. If you see this picture got 21,000 likes. And if you see the next picture got 41,000 likes. So I posted this one first, and I saw the way the way people liked it, and so I tried to replicate the same image with a different product. So, and it actually did better. So that's what I was talking about. The more interaction you get, the more engagement and all of that. So it's always good to know what your followers like. Also, you can interact with your followers through Instagram stories, posts, questions, and all of that. I do that sometimes when I'm not sure about something, about what my followers want to see, like maybe releasing a new shade of lip gloss or whatever it might be. Just whenever you're making decisions, like some decisions, ask your followers what they think and stuff like that. It makes them feel like they're part of the business, and that's what most people like. This one is really important because it's like the number one, is posting really good content. When I first started, I had this Android phone, and the pictures, oh my god, the pictures were not so I actually had to change my phone because the pictures I was getting with the Android was not it. So I upgraded my phone. To the iPhone 10R, and that's what I'm using right now, and my pictures are good. And here are some of the pictures that I have taken with my iPhone 10R, and I'm loving it. Will I be upgrading? Maybe not, but as of now, this is like really good, and I really like the picture quality. And so that leads us back to what I was talking about, posting good quality content. So because when you post good quality content, then your Instagram page looks like pretty and stuff like that. When someone sees it, they just want to follow. They just can't resist following. But if you have like blurry pictures, dark pictures, everything is like everywhere, no one's going to want to follow. So the bullet points I have here is that don't post blurred pictures. Try to take your pictures where there's sufficient lighting, or invest in a ring light, because the more good quality content you post, the better your page looks, and people follow good looking pages. So yeah, no, like I said earlier, no one's going to follow a page that looks no. So the last thing is Instagram promo. So I've actually tried Instagram promo a couple times, and I got different results. So when I first started, I tried it. The first time I tried it was when I was still at like the low hundreds followers, and it didn't really make like any difference. Like it didn't really work. And at that time, it was because I didn't know like how to, target the right like audience. I just did Instagram promo, and I mean the post got like a few, like 1,000 views and stuff like that, but I never really made any sales from that. But then I was learning, so but now when I do Instagram promos, I actually get results, like not that crazy, but I get a few sales from it. So you guys can actually look into Instagram promo. And what I wrote under Instagram promo is, I've tried Instagram promo several times. At first I felt like it wasn't working, but once I tried it more frequently, I discovered I was actually reaching a few people. And using Instagram promo, when using Instagram promo, you have to narrow down your target audience to the people that will actually buy your stuff you get. So that's what I think about Instagram promo. So the last bonus tip is to always tag your products. Always tag your products. I can make a separate video on how to tag your products, because when you tag your products, there's a section on Instagram that says shop. When you go to the explore page, there's a section for shopping. When you tag your products might get recommended to someone that's just scrolling, or someone that wants to shop, or someone that follows a similar account to yours. So tagging your products is good. I can make a video on how to tag your products. If you have Big Cartel or Shopify, you can tag your products. You need a Facebook account for both. I can make a video on that. If you guys want, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll be posting all of this on my blog. Just go to my website and go to the blog section. I'll have this typed up for those that don't understand my accent. I'm going to post this on my blog. So that's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and do all of the good stuff. And don't forget to shop with me. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video.